farm friends. Welcome to my happy farm. Now, let me introduce you to my farm family.
It's Puffy. It's Pinky. It's Lucky.
Hey, farmer. We lost our homes in the floods.
We don't have any place to live. Can you help us?
So sorry, my friends, but don't worry. I can help you. Hey, farm family. Come here. We have new friends to meet.
Hi, I am Lucky the ducky. Quack, quack. Hi, I am Pinky the sheep. Hi, I am Puffy the pig. Oink, oink. Hi, I'm Bella the cow.
Hi, I'm Speedy. They lost their homes in the flood. Bundud, let's help them.
Aw, you look so tired, and I'll get some yummy food.
Okay, hey, let me get the stuff to build your new houses.
Thanks for the food. Come on, friends. Let's play a game, and Pinky will be the judge. Let's go!
Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Yay!
Our new friends are amazing. They won the game. Thanks, Puffy. Come on, family. It's painting time. What color should we choose?
Green. Red. Blue. Yellow.
It's Yay! Yay!
Thank you, Farmer Ben.
This house is so beautiful. You're welcome, my friends. You're safe now. This is your home.
It feels so warm and safe in here.
Good night, everyone. Tomorrow will be a happy day.
Good night, farm family. Sweet dreams. Bye, friends. Thanks for visiting the farm today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and come back for more farm fun. And see you soon.